Good morning and welcome to my channel. I hope you've had a fantastic day up to here, and if not, that is okay, and this is the perfect place to be. Here we forget about the world, our problems, and we exchange creative ideas to enhance our homes and to just have fun. You can use these pots any way you want. Concrete is fabulous. It's very new to me. I've been using this creative medium for just over a year, and I find it exciting and I learn something new every single day. So today we are doing this modern heart-shaped pot. I want to bring it closer. And I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make these hearts. This is quite a heavy pot. It's thick, it's got a hole in, it's had a space in my garden already. I was just waiting for the hearts to dry and set. So, here we go. I use a tin cookie maker, just for cookies, biscuits, and fill it with concrete. The concrete is thicker than custard, but not like clay. It can still run. Then I place it on a square, a level table, and shake it like that for the bubbles to evaporate and for the concrete to settle nicely. I wait for 2 days and allow it to dry like this, and then I just pop them out of the pan. Now, let me show you. I take oil, ordinary cooking oil, canola oil, whatever oil you have in your home, and I rub it in very clearly, very perfectly into every little cookie hole, and then I start with the rest. And these hearts are absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. You can use them in so many fabulous ways. You can put something on the back, paper, write special notes, put them on strings, glue them to your walls, use them in the kitchen, use them in the bathroom, decorate stuff, use them in mosaics. That will just be, it will look fabulous in mosaics. So you have fun with this. How I glue them, it's called multi-floor. It is something like a silicone, and it's yellow, as you can see, and it's thick. You put glue on this one surface and you put glue on the other surface, and then you let it dry just a little bit, and then you stick it on, and it sits. I have glued many things that way. I've made the number of my house outside with these hearts and glued it on with this glue, and it works perfectly. They are stuck to the wall, and that is where they sit. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Let me just hold my pride and joy a little bit closer to my face. I love this pot. I love all my pots. Thank you, take care, and be blessed.